I am a Top Gun, and welcome to my channel. Today, on this episode, we're testing two RC crawlers. We're first going to test the SCX10 Deadbolt, and then we're going to test the Traxxas TRX4 tactical unit. Alright, let's get to testing. First, it's going to be the SCX10 Deadbolt. This is a stock vehicle. Also, the Traxxas TRX4 Tactical is a stock vehicle. No modifications. Okay, first off is the SCX10 Deadbolt. As you can see, it handled that obstacle pretty well. Now for the ramp. Not too shabby. Let's see if we can turn it around now. Let's see if we can turn it around and drive over the obstacles again.
Too big, not gonna go. Too big for a throw. Going over right that. Coming right down. See that in English?
Okay, that's enough of the SCX10 Now we're going to switch to the tactical unit from Traxxas.
And I'm down. Me, it's my turn. Okay. And then
Back over there. Remember. Over here. Okay, that's enough of the SCX2. Here we go. With the tactical unit. That was a breeze for the tactical unit. Let's see how we can do on the ramp now. Too heavy for the ramp.
yeah, yours is just like mine because it can't get up, but some roller trucks can get up.
All right, let's take it over some more obstacles.
And you're down almost. Yeah, he's almost down. He's coming forward, backing up. He's not coming down yet. His revs going up. He goes over the ramp. Can't make it. He's stuck. And he's almost down.
Seems like the tactical has a little bit of trouble with this.
And he's going up. Let's see if he can make it over it. Let's see. Or else he can crash down. And he's out. Oh, it looks like he's moving. Looks like he's going over there. Let's see what he can do. And he's down and over. And he's coming over the block. 5, 4, 8, 8, 26, 90.
So it seems like both vehicles are pretty equal, but the tactical by Traxxas actually has the portal axles. So that helps it a little bit in its climbing ability. I'd say it was close to a tie, but I believe the tactical is just a little bit better.
Yeah,
Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.